Okay, dear friends, I'm back with another machine on the Hackthebox, which is remote. I've already spawned the machine earlier, and this is the IP address of the target. As always, I'd like to use the Palm box, which is online Pilot OS, to do this penetration. Before we start today's journey, if you don't mind, please subscribe to my channel, so you will not miss my uploaded videos. And also leave a like below if you don't mind as well. So enough said, let's just get started. So then we can switch over to the viewer of this Pilot OS or GUI. As you can see, I've already done the map scanning. With options like scene scan, the virtual scan, the default script scan, and also the comprehensive scan. So of course, I put the uppercase P in option to not to do the live testing for the target. In other words, I will assume that the target should be online. So from the map scanning results, as you can see over here, the several open ports, but most important ports of all will be the first one, 21, which is running FTP service. And also the version information. Of course, as we know, the target is Windows. And also this target allows anonymous logging. Later we can check manually on this. And second one is 80, which is running HTTP. And I think next, like 111, is running by the NFS or network file sharing service. And also the target has service of Samba running. And also this one is used by the NFS. And this one is used by, I think, is used by the remote manager, right? So what we are going to do next, as I mentioned in the other video, if the target has service like Samba, like NFS or FTP service, such services should become our first target to enumerate. So now we can log in or access to the target via FTP, and put the username as anonymous and no password. But nothing at all. So we can quit from here. Next we can enumerate information from the Samba service. The two command I'd like to using is SMB client and the L option, the IP address of the target. I need to put the IP address. Okay, the access denied, which is fine. Next, we can use the show mount with E option to see whether the target has shares enabled. So we can put the IP address of the target, and it does have shares and open to everyone. So we can set up the local directory to be mounted on, right? We can make dir share dir. All right, and then we can sudo mount, and the type should be NFS, and the target IP address, and the site backups, and the share. No problem. Now we can go into the share directory and list files. From here we can know the target is running Umbraco, and this of course we can use the Google to make research. Umbraco, Yeah, this is the flexible open source .NET CMS. Although we didn't make the immersion for the web application anyway, but through the MFS surface, we have already got into the directory of the umbrella. Sorry, not umbrella, Umbraco CMS. And now I think I'd like to do the web application first and then come back, right? We can launch our browser. Put the IP address of the target. Yeah, nothing special here. And also here, there's some links like internet, contact, about us. Of course, you can, you can walk through the major links if you wish. But to save time, I will not do that now. And also, we can check whether this site has a robots file. But not found. Next, we can use the Nicto. You know, Nicto can review a lot of and important information about web application. So we just wait for this to be finished over. You know, Nicto will try to review the vulnerabilities if the target has such a vulnerability, and also some common files or directories, although the word list would be small. And also sometimes will give us some other like web application architecture, something like that. And we got some directories, of course, during the stage of the manual immersion with web application. We have already know that the target has home and internet directory. Of course, as a pen tester, we need to combine the manual way and automatic way to enumerate information. We cannot simply rely on one technique. Okay, here, get the page Umbraco, so we can make a copy, maybe. Because I don't want to type in anyway. And we can put the IP address of the target and the Umbraco. So of course, as you can see here, we are prompt as user login panel, and we can try because here we need to provide the email and also corresponding passwords. At this moment, we didn't have such information at all. So, but wait a moment. You know, we have already know that the target is running the Umbraco CMS. Maybe we can go back to our Samba, not Samba, the mounted share, and we need to do some more immersion. For example, we can go to the app browser to see what's about. Yeah, but nothing there, browser. And the second one, data. And here some configuration files like this, the first one. A lot of outputs. Maybe what we are interested in is credentials, so we can use script, password, and although password keyword is there, but this configuration file itself doesn't contain the exact password. And the next one is SDF. Of course, you can use the Google search engine to make research. There's some sort of the database. Yeah, I when I did the machine the first time, I tried to get away to open this file by some tools, but failed. However, if we use the strings command to display readable characters inside this database file, you can have some discoveries, and we can tunnel to more. Yeah, as you can see, we have already got some username and also the email, and also here we got the hash algorithm, which is SHA1, and I think this should be the encrypted password. Maybe we can make a copy of this information, and also the Smith, but the Smith doesn't include the I think this one is the SHA 256, but anyway, now we try to crack the password for the admin, and now we can paste in here. Oh, not here, not this one. We can make a copy. Copy. Yeah, and I think this is the email, right? We got the email, and here is the password, encrypted password. So next, what we are going to do next, we need to crack the password with John the Ripper. And first we can write this to the file hash, and then we can, oh sorry, maybe we, because in this shared directory we just have read-only permission, so we can open up another tab, go back to our working directory, and then we can use the John the Ripper. Or not John the Ripper. We need to write this encrypted password to hashes, and then we can use the John the Ripper word list. I'd like to use the locq as our word list to crack. Okay, very quick, we got the password, and we can make a copy in case, of course, we need this information to log in to the administrator's panel. Now we can go back to our, maybe I can close down this one. And here is admin local and the password. Now we can log in. And if you, of course, we can know from the help section, we can know the version of this CMS, Umbraco version, and then we can make a copy to use Google search engine to find the vulnerability and exploit for this version. Exploit. Okay, exploit database has, I think this should be Python script. Now go back to our viewer, and then this one. So we can download this exploit, and we can move this exploit to our working directory. We can replace, and now we can we can open up this Python script. As we scroll down, of course, here, we need to supply some arguments like username, password, and the target, and the command. But here, very important, command is, we should be separated by the command itself, like a CMD or PowerShell. And next is the arguments, right? And here, And when we get the input or arguments, and then we'll generate or combine to generate the payload. Okay, so now I just like to quit and run this script, and we'll give a Python. All right, and then we need to specify the user, which is admin HTTP local p password. We can make a copy of our password. And we need to specify the target. Very important. We need to put the target. And here the command is, so next, of course, we can run some command to test whether this exploit works or not. So we just run who am I. We can got the username information on the target. Next, we need to get a reverse shell. And to do that, we can utilize the PowerShell script to do this. And I've already got this website, very good one. We just follow the steps. You can see over here. The first step is we can get the Nissan PowerShell script first. We can make a copy. Maybe I already copied earlier, right? I'm not sure. I already downloaded this one. Of course, if you want me to do that again, I just removed it, and then we can, not this one, we can copy and then paste in here. All right, the first step has been done. Next, we need to set up the web server, by Python HTTP server, and I'll use the default port number of 8000 to be listened on, and the target can, by this exploit, not this one. Which one? I need to run this exploit and get the reverse shell. All right, here maybe I can. So the second step, I've already done that, and then we need to set up the listener of netcat sudo. So I can use the 443 port number, and the next, I think we need to run the Python local password. I need to copy the password again. And the target. Here we want to run, we want to run the third step, the PowerShell, and we can make a copy. So I think the C argument, I need to like to run the PowerShell exe, and the argument should be the letter part. We can make a copy and paste in here. Of course, we need to do some modifications. I do not need this one because the command has already put it. And this one should be our own machine, right? And this one is also our own machine. Yeah, I need to make sure the port number matches when we create the listener by netcat. So I think now we can make a copy, and this should be our argument for this exploit. I think I need to use the double quotes because in the command, the argument itself has single quotes. I think I've already done that correctly. All right, let's hit enter. Yeah, as you can see, we have already got the initial for the hold. Now we can go to the users, and then we can get the public, right? Oh, no need. I think now, yeah, we can type the user flag. Yeah, no problem. Next, what can we do next is to elevate our privilege. To do that, I'd like to spawn or generate the meterpreter session. You know, the meterpreter session would be much better. And if we go back to our users, and we can run the netstat command, netstat. Yeah, take a little time, and also we can use the task list to display all processes information. As you can see, the target is around the team viewer and surface or the server. So I think now we need to do or get more information about the team viewer application or surface. Now we can go to the installer or install directory of the team viewer, and we can dir, and we can go to the program file. You know, by default the software will be installed this one or this one. There, and here as you can see, we have already noticed, the target has team viewer, and we can go into this directory, right? There. Yeah. From here, we have already know that the target, the team viewer version is 7, and also we can use the Google to know whether there is vulnerability or exploit for this version. Yeah, it does have. All right. Also, this one, the Metasploit has corresponding module which can work for this exploit. So to use that I'd like to spawn the meterpreter session. So how to do it? We can, I've already, the Windows, I'm not the command, I'm not so familiar. So I'd like to use Google to make some research. Like here, we can use this command to generate the payload. So we can make a copy, and paste in here. This one will help us to generate the payload, and the format is PowerShell script. Okay. Maybe I need to open another tab. All right, and we can, Of course, I need to use different port number and IP address. The port number like 88, and the IP address should be modified as well. All right. So this, we can generate payload with MSF vellum. All right, then we can launch the Metasploit console. To to set up the handler. Of course, we need to set the different payload for this handler, and this payload should be matching, this one. So we can use the exploit multi-handler, and then we can set a payload. We just make a copy, because copy and paste way will not make a mistake, right? Then we can show options, and then we can set localhost to our own machine, and we can set the local port number to 888. Of course, this must be the same as what we create a payload with MSF volume, and we can run it. Then we can go to, maybe I can go to the temp directory, and then we can run, we can run this one, right? Of course, we do not need the PowerShell because we have already within the PowerShell. And here, of course, the file name should be what? Should be this one. And now we can oh, not here. We can replace, right? And then we can make a copy and run in the PowerShell, right? Hopefully we can get the meterpreter session. Let's hit enter. Now go back to our as you can see, we have already got the meterpreter. Next we can background, this one, and we can search team view. Sorry, I make the mistake. Team viewer. We can use this one. We can, this is the post module. Make a copy and paste it in here. And we can show options. I think just only one field which need to be configured, and we can get the session information. We can set the session number to 1, and then we can run. We got the unattended password. So I think now we can use this password to log in to the target. And this should be used by the administrator. As we know from the map scanning, the target is running remote management surface. So we can use evil. Maybe we can, I think I can quit from the Metasploit console. Then we can use the evil. We can use the tab, and we can specify the username as administrator, and passwords. Password should be this one we got from the TeamViewer vulnerability, right? And we can paste it in here. And also we need to specify the target or IP address of the target. Alright. We need to put the single we need to use the single to include this password. Otherwise, the command will be interpreted improperly. Alright, let's hit enter. Yeah, as you can see, we have already logged in as administrator. Who am I? Yeah, which we are administrator. Then we can retrieve the root flag without any issue, right? And then we can type root. Okay, so that's pretty much it. I hope to see you in the next one. Bye. Have a nice day.